Welcome to this video where we are going to clean this fabric dining chair. So here is a chair that's overall in good shape, however there are some patches that need to be cleaned, and I already tried to use some soap to clean the fabric. However, as you can see, it didn't really help, so we will be trying out this upholstery and carpet cleaning solution. To use it, we first need to dilute it, and we'll also let a brush soak in it for a few minutes. Meanwhile, we can remove most of the dust from the chair using a vacuum cleaner. And now we are ready to clean the chair. So using the brush, we can make small circles on the fabric and thus remove all of the stains. Because cleaning the fabric will make it a shade lighter, we'll have to clean the whole chair to have the same color everywhere. Now for the next step, if you have a wet vacuum cleaner, now is the perfect time to use it to suck out all of the dirty water from the chair. However, as I didn't have one, an alternative solution is to use a microfiber cloth to remove the dirty water and rinse it out in the sink every once in a while, and then do a second pass over the whole chair and so on until most of the dirty water is removed. Also, as you can see, I'm doing this outside because it's a bit messy. After that, we can leave the chair air dry for 24 hours, and here is the final result. Thank you for watching this video, I hope it helped you. If that's the case, please leave a like and I will see you in the next one.